Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap. If you want to see how I got this look using all of the new Mary Kay brushes as well as the Mary Kay Essential Brush Kit, then stay tuned and let's get into this flawless finish.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. For the eyes and lips, I'm going to do something kind of simple. I have to teach my online class, so I just need something that's decent, you know, nice little makeup look. So I'm going in with this brush, and y'all, I love this brush. So we have the spoolie on one side, and then we have the angle eyeliner brush on the other side. And y'all know I like to do my brow powder with this side of the brush. So I'm just going to fill in my brows. And for the eyeshadow look, I'm going to do something really simple. If you want a more like snatched brow, I would recommend to do your brows first. That way you can go back and clean them up and all of that. But for this look, I'm keeping it as simple as possible. So y'all know the routine. I go under the brow with a light shade, and this is the all over eyeshadow brush. I go over with the light shade. I'm gonna go in the middle here or in that crease with a kind of brown shade, and I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using this for my light shade, and I'm gonna use this one for my crease color. And I'm putting it on with the same brush, and I'm just gonna pat it in there. I think I did. On the outer corner, I'm going to go in with a brown. At this point, I'm just patting and swiping that brown on there. And if you have a hard time with eyeshadow, hopefully this will help you. At this point, I'm just patting everything on there. Now I'm going to take this brush, the eye crease brush, and it is angled, and I'm just going to start swiping back and forth. So I'm going to start up here at the top and kind of swipe in between those two, and y'all see how it's like blending that out. Look at this one and watch. Get you a nice little blend on that corner of the outer V. Because this brush is angled, you can go into that corner and you can keep that angle going on. On this side, go in with that angle, keep that going on, and you good. Nice and simple. For the lid, y'all know I like to do a nice shimmer or something, so I'm going to use some of that lighter foundation to put on my lid so that the shimmer shade will stick to it. Y'all, I was not even recording. Oh my god. So what I did was took this brush here and I cleaned it here, and I went in with some of that lighter foundation and just pressed that on my lid, not like a sharp cut crease, just kind of like a diffused look. Then I went, I cleaned the brush again on here. Then I went in with the same brush. This is the all over eyeshadow brush. Then I went in with this gold here and just patted that on top. Okay, so this all over brush, when they say all over brush, it's all over brush. You can use this with so many different things. You can use it as a concealer brush, an eyeshadow brush. It has kind of fluffy texture, so I like to use it to pack on shimmers and glitters and all of that. So this is the brush that you need in your arsenal. Okay, so that's it for the eyes, y'all. That was so quick and simple. So I am going to go in with some lash primer now, and this is our lash primer if you haven't seen me use it before. And something is going on with the focus, but this is the lash primer, and I'm going to use our new mascara. And before I do all of that, I'm going to curl my lashes. Alright, so the lashes are looking real cute, but y'all know I'm gonna add some of my lashes. I'm gonna go in with the style Assertive. And for the lips, I just wanted to show y'all this lip balm. This is a limited edition as well, so when it's gone, it's gone. But this is our pH lip balm, and this is what it looks like. But when you put it on, it changes colors. It changes colors for each person. And it feels amazing. And I just want y'all to kind of see it change colors like on camera. So pretty. And I'm going to line my lips so that I can get like a cute little ombre. And I'm going to pop them lashes on. And I'm going to jump into a wig. And that's going to be it. So without further ado. So there you have it. I put this wig on. I showed you guys this wig in a previous video. I recently washed it, and these are the natural curls. So this wig is just so pretty, y'all. This is the one that I showed you all in a previous video. I'll make sure that I put it in the cards for y'all to check it out, to see me open it and put it on for the first time and all of that. So this is the look, y'all. My eyes are watering like crazy, so I'm gonna probably have to put my lashes on again. I was scraping out of this Kiss one, so I think it's all done. I'm just gonna throw this one out and open up my new one and reapply these lashes on because my eyes are watering. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To see me use the Mary Kay Essential Brush kit, and to see me use some of our other brushes. So today I used these for the look. I used this one to brush away any fallout from my eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I used this double-ended brow. Brush, and these two eyeshadow brushes, the eye crease and the all over. I did not use the smudger brush today, so I'll have to use that one for you guys in another video. Probably do some bottom lash line work with it or something like that, so I'm excited about that. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Itz Sirap family, where I help you achieve your finished look, okay? So thank y'all for tuning in. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. It's a wrap.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.